if you want to handle the recoil of any weapon, and you can get more kills if you use this following settings. So stick till end of this video. Hello guys, and keep supporting like that. Why exactly the proper settings matters, because it can help you do a precise aim, and it can improve your accuracy, and it's really hard to have control over the game by default settings. So now let's jump on to the basic settings in controls. There are two different modes: simple mode and advanced mode. In simple mode, player automatically fires a weapon, and I don't recommend that. Make sure you use advanced mode, and there are three different shooting modes that are: one tap ADS, hip fire, and custom. I will recommend you guys to use a custom mode, and click onto that small icon which is right after the custom mode. In custom mode, you can either use ADS or hip fire. ADS or hip fire, meaning of ADS is aim down sight. If we use ADS, you don't have to scope in, and in hip fire you have to manually scope in the weapon. I suggest you guys to use hip fire for all the weapons except sniper rifles, because if we use ADS for weapons such as SMGs and LMGs, it becomes really hard to kill your enemies in close encounters. Now let's jump onto the basic settings. Make sure you have enabled aim assist, and what exactly the aim assist does is that when your scope is close enough to your enemies, it can give the aim a little push to get it on target. Make sure you have disabled fast throw grenade, and if you enable fast throw grenade, so here is a quick comparison: your player will throw grenade immediately. Make sure you have enabled quick run from joystick, auto sprint, and fixed our fire button. In ADS there are four different options: tap and hold, tap to ADS, hybrid, and double tap to ADS. I will suggest to enable tap to ADS because it will be much easier for you to scope in your aim by single tap, and enable left fire button and tap crouch while sprinting. Now always sprint sensitivity must be in range of 75 to 80, and if you like to play using gyroscope, make sure to turn it on. Now let's talk about camera FOV. FOV stands for field of view. So what exactly it is? This means angle of view your game captures. In this image, you can see wider the field you have, greater the peripheral vision becomes, but your enemies appear smaller. So max out FOV, because it will give you a lot of benefit in multiplayer. And make sure to disable rest weapon aim. Now let's jump onto the audio and graphics settings. I have enabled low graphic quality with high frame rate, and you have to disable DOF, that is depth of field, because if you enable it, it makes things blurry and you will see a certain frame drop resulting in lag. So don't use it. Now let's jump onto the sensitivity settings. In rotation mode, there are three different options: fixed speed, distance, acceleration, and speed acceleration. I will suggest you to select speed acceleration, and comparing the low, medium, and high acceleration, you can see that medium acceleration is perfect for your player, and it gets easy to move your player around 360-degree. So always keep your acceleration value between 115 to 120, and there are four different sensitivity presets that you can use: low, medium, high, or custom, and we will have our own customized settings. And before moving on to the camera sensitivity, what exactly the camera sensitivity does is that higher the camera sensitivity, higher is a smooth view you can get, and if you have proper camera and firing sensitivity, it will help you to do a precise aim. So in camera sensitivity, you make sure you have standard sensitivity between 75 to 80. Medium sensitivity will give you a precise movements, and for switching in scope faster, I prefer to have 80 sensitivity. 120 tactic scope sensitivity must be in range of 90 to 95, because it provides high precision that allows you to target at great distance. And sniper scope sensitivity must be 40. In firing sensitivity, standard sensitivity must be 98. To scope in faster, make sure to have 80 sensitivity. 115 tactic scope sensitivity must be in range of 125 to 130, and sniper scope sensitivity 50. And if we use gyroscope, make sure to have standard sensitivity 120. ADS sensitivity must be in range of 55 to 60. Tactic scope sensitivity 44, and sniper sensitivity 40. So I hope guys you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you want to level up faster, watch this video. I will see you next time. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please consider subscribing my channel, and don't forget to comment. Help me reach 1000 subscribers. We will meet in the next video.